So we're coming into this part where we explore JavaScript date. I'll give you this link later. This is W3 Schools date object, and you can see over here, if you wanted to create the date as of today, you just set it to new date, okay, without any parameters in. It will return to you the date for today. So to try this, I'm going to press F12 and let's just make use of the console log. I'm just going to set a new DATE, and you can see over here it is Wednesday, September, and then 02. Alright, now if I cancel this out, I can come over here, try it yourself. Okay, I was trying it just now. Let's just try again. Okay, we've got a date over here, and it is this one. And of course, I'm going to set the date as of today. You can see the date. If I were to say 2021, and then 0, and then 1 over here, you can see that it actually gives me the date of 2021 and January 1st. This will be year, this will be month, this one in the middle month, and then the month over here, and then the date. Okay, let's put a note down in our text editor over here. So I should know that for 0 it is January, this is February, and then March, and then this will be April, and lastly it should be, this is going to be December. Okay, this is using a JS month is indexed at 0, starts at int. Okay, now let's have a look. I wanted to create a date over here. Therefore, variable JS DATE is new date, and then JS DD is JS DATE dot get date. All right, and the other one is month. The other one here is y. Get full year. Now, where do I get all this? Well, if you have a look here, let's see. After you've done all this, examples, you can actually say get methods. Yeah, date get methods. There is a full year over here, month, and date. Of course, there are many others like the get hours and so on, and we would just like to get all this. Okay, get date 1 to 31st, and this will be, yeah, you can read all this. Okay, the links are all here. I'll just save it and put it in at the comments. And the other one is this one. save them so you can have a reference of this later. Okay. Next, what we want is to set it over here. You can move this down a little. Now that we have all the particular values, this will be dd, this will be js, this will be js, y, and we just leave the last one. Okay, let's have a look. Okay, this is a bit strange. I'll check this one later. Oh yeah, it's right. Second, okay, this is second, because we set our date in the, maybe what we should do is, not to confuse ourselves, we set it to the format that we are most familiar with. Okay, so I think this will be, this can be what we want. Okay, but we wanted to actually translate our month into text, right? Because we do see that this is what we wanted, February. So let's just try to create the array. So variable, how should I say this? Translate, it should be January, February, right? March, this is April, May, June, this is July, August, September, October, November, and this is December. Okay, so this is our text here. We need to set it before, otherwise the variable you will not be able to use it. Okay, let me just make this big. I'll put it somewhere here. Okay, so JavaScript executes from top down. You have, if you want to use this over here, it has to be before. You have to make it, it has to exist before you can use it. All right, so I'm declaring my variables over here on the top, and I'm going to translate. So if it is 0, then it will be index 0 lah, this one, index 1, index 2, and so on. So sorry, what I'm going to do is I'm going to underscore translate. So I'm going to make use of that, because you know that this will be 9, right? This will be 8. So number 8, again, this is index 0. How about if I'm just going to paste it here, paste, 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 paste. Okay, just trying to be explicit. This will be 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11. Okay, so to we are now in September. So September should be it comes with the index of 8, which we saw just now, right? Okay, if we do not translate this, if we don't translate this, then then we can see that it is 8. Okay, but since we wanted to translate this, then we're going to set it to this array. Okay, we're going to point to the array. So 8, yeah, you can see that 8, this is index 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, all the way down to 8, it is going to be September. Okay, all right. So is that what we wanted? Okay, only 308 days left until New Year, so we need to do a bit of deduction later. Okay, so let's just stop over here. We'll deal with that in the next tutorial.